There must be. There must be some mistake. There must be some mistake. There must be another way. There must be another way. There must be a misunderstanding. There must be a misunderstanding. There must be something else. There must be something else. It sounds great. It sounds great. It sounds delicious. It sounds delicious. It sounds fun. It sounds fun. It sounds boring. It sounds boring. It's just a joke. It's just a joke. It's just a dream. It's just a dream. It's just a movie. It's just a movie. It's just a sheet of paper. It's just a sheet of paper. Is it? Is it real? Is it real? Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it yours? Is it yours? Is it wrong? Is it wrong? It's going to be. It's going to be crowded. It's going to be crowded. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. It's going to be boring. It's going to be boring. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. There's nothing to. There's nothing to say. There's nothing to say. There's nothing to see. There's nothing to see. There's nothing to do here. There's nothing to do here. There's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about. It's too hot. It's too hot. It's too dark. It's too dark. It's too late. It's too late. It's too loud. It's too loud. It's like a movie. It's like a movie. It's like a fairy tale. It's like a fairy tale. It's like a nightmare. It's like a nightmare. It's like the end of the world. It's like the end of the world. Isn't it? Isn't it great? Isn't it great? Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it expensive? Isn't it expensive? Isn't it ironic? Isn't it ironic? Don't be. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be ridiculous. Don't be ridiculous. Let me check. Let me check that. Let me check that. Let me check the time. Let me check the time. Let me check with her. Let me check with her. Let me check my schedule. Let me check my schedule. I need to get some sleep. I need to get some sleep. I need to take a break. I need to take a break. I need to calm down. I need to calm down. I need to take a walk. I need to take a walk. I prefer A to B. I prefer summer to winter. I prefer summer to winter. I prefer soda to alcohol. I prefer soda to alcohol. I prefer Sundays to Saturdays. I prefer Sundays to Saturdays. I prefer movies to books. I prefer movies to books. I like to ski. I like to ski. I like to sleep late. I like to sleep late. I like to visit museums. I like to visit museums. I like to stay home. I like to stay home. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to surprise you. I didn't mean to surprise you. I didn't mean to scare you. I didn't mean to scare you. I didn't mean to cause trouble. I didn't mean to cause trouble. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be home at 7. I'll be home at 7. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. I would never. I would never lie to you. I would never lie to you. I would never let you go. I would never let you go. I would never change that. I would never change that. I would never go there. I would never go there. Would you like to? Would you like to try? Would you like to try? Would you like to dance? Would you like to dance? Would you like to take a walk? Would you like to take a walk? Would you like to follow me? Would you like to follow me? Can you get me? Can you get me an apple? Can you get me an apple? Can you get me some water? Can you get me some water? Can you get me the remote? Can you get me the remote? Can you get me some food? Can you get me some food? May I have? May I have it? May I have it? May I have some? May I have some? May I have your attention? May I have your attention? May I have another one? May I have another one? I'd rather. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. I'd rather die. I'd rather die. I'd rather quit. I'd rather quit. I'd rather go home. I'd rather go home. I'd like to. I'd like to order. I'd like to order. I'd like to see that. I'd like to see that. I'd like to know more. I'd like to know more. I'd like to take a look. I'd like to take a look. I can't wait to. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to go to Paris. I can't wait to go to Paris. I can't wait to meet them. I can't wait to meet them. I can't wait to marry you. I can't wait to marry you. Can I ask you? Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a favor? Can I ask you a favor? Can I ask you for advice? Can I ask you for advice? Can I ask you to move a little? Can I ask you to move a little? Can I have? Can I have coffee? Can I have coffee? Can I have your number? Can I have your number? Can I have your name? Can I have your name? Can I have this toy? Can I have this toy? Free pronunciation check. 100% free English with cake.